All right, what's going on YouTube? How's it going? My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. Really not much going on the past couple of days. We had a bit of a pump today, so I want to talk about that and tell you where I think we're headed and what the at least the Elliott Wave count looks like from here, and we'll go from there. So don't forget, none of this is financial advice, never intended to be so. All right, let's jump into the market and see what's going on. All right, let's see here. Macro count. There's two counts here. We got a bearish count and a bullish count. As I have been sharing on my live streams. So I got 1, 2, okay, this is 3, 4, and one count here is we could have a ending diagonal for a fifth wave. That's a possibility, so that would be basically 1, 2, 3, I don't know where to put the 4 here, 4, 5, like that, and we would get a pump up here to retest the highs and even possibly go over. That would be a bullish count, guys. That would be 5 waves. Now, what that means is that we would go up here to close to 11,000, possibly, you know, in that ballpark. Let's see, what is that fib there? 10,004. Yeah, the 127 we've already hit. So, yeah, I mean, up in this region just to break the high, maybe 11,000, guys. And that's one way to look at this. And if that's the case, then after that wave is finished, we would have a move to the downside. Okay, we have a 3-wave move. Generally speaking, it could be a WXY, it could be a very complex correction, could be a very long correction. But we'd be looking for a bear side for a little while. But guys, it's really a bull count, because once that 3-wave move is finished, guys, we'd be off to the races most likely. Provided a couple of things, that we came and we didn't break this low. Okay, as long as we didn't break this low, you know, we came in 3 waves to the downside. Okay, so that's one way to look at it. Let's look at another perspective as well. Let's see, that's one count. Another count here, and either even more ultra bullish. It puts us up here at 13,000, something like that. Here, let me see if I can get the fibs on there and a little bit better guesstimate here. Yeah, anywhere from 11,600, which I don't think so. I think it'd be closer to probably 13,800. Would probably be looking at getting to 13.8. So the bull count, we'd have extended 5th wave here. This is a 1, 2, and this is a 1, 2, and we finish that like that, something like that, and we'd be finishing an extended wave up, and it'd be a pretty strong move to the upside. That's another bull count that's potential on the way. What else? Excuse me. Could it be? Let's see here. Bearish outlook here. I still, from a bear count, I still need to kind of see this thing finish here. We got basically 3 waves here. Let's see, we've got a 3-wave move, a tiny 3-wave move. Man, it's really tough. Really tough. Actually, let me change that. Strike that. Sometimes I forget my counts here. We'd actually have something kind of a leading diagonal here. That's the way I counted it with a bull count. So we'd have a leading. Come on. Leading diagonal there. There we go. So that's a. Let's see. Yeah, 5. Yeah. I got it, guys. I got it. Sorry. Let's see here. We've got leading diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right there. There's the leading diagonal, and then we have a 3-wave move here. Okay, the thing is, with this bear count, you got to get 3 waves out of this. So 3 waves, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're getting the ending 5th diagonal. Okay, so basically that's 5 waves with an ending diagonal. Okay, so we started with a leading and ending, and so that still puts us up in this region. It still puts us going up in that region, guys. I'm a little bullish right here with price action. The way price is, guys. Let me show you somewhere what I'm thinking here, just so you understand. You know, I'm bearish overall. I'm expecting a dump at some point, but man, the way price is acting, it's like it's going to continue going up. Let me show you another place where it did this. It just really bugged the mess out of me when it did. Right here at this place. Oh, well, come on. At this place on the chart, It just went sideways forever, but just kind of with a slight slant to the upside. It was really sideways action. Let me go to the smaller time frame to show it to you. I don't know if you remember it. I remember it very, very much. We had all of this sideways pumpery here. Had a little wick here, rejection, wick, rejection, up, and then finally it took off like a champ. Okay, so you know, I kind of getting the same feeling here. The way this price is moving. Pump, rejection, pump, rejection, pump, rejection, but everything's kind of to the upside. Everything's kind of to the upside, guys. Is this just going to take off? Now, so that's just an anecdotal idea, just looking at the chart with a feeling, right? The way most people look at the chart. Now, let's look at it from an Elliott Wave perspective, because I've got strong evidence in this wave that we're actually going to go down, okay? And so let me talk about the downside here without talking about the ultra bull, without talking about the bearish count here. We have, let's see, let's go down the smaller time frame. We'll go to the hour just to look at the current wave, explain to you what I'm seeing here. I'm just telling you what I'm seeing here. You can do with it what you want. But it appears we have a leading diagonal right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with a three-wave pullback, and then we've got a straight up, you know, wave. So this is a 5, 3, 5. That's a three-wave move to me. Okay. Then we get this three-wave move to the downside. So we got a three-wave up, we got a three-wave down. Now I'm expecting a three-wave up. Okay. We have already reached a target where we could be seeing a dump. Okay, so let me show you what I'm seeing here. Just looking at this current wave only. We got a three-wave, and now we got a three-wave. Okay, so we've come to the one-to-one extension, but we just wicked it. I think we're going to come and retest it. We could even get up here to the 127 extension, right up in this region, because those are corrective fibs as well. Retest this top. Once we get that, then we're going to get a three-wave or five-wave to the downside. That would be a 5, a 3, and a 5-wave to the downside. And that's another possibility as well. Now, that's just corrective probably, and then we would maybe have some more upside from there. I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure. We could have a big downside because that would break structure if we did that. So the big reason why I believe that that's a possibility is this wave right here. Okay, I would look at this more bullishly as a 5-wave if we didn't have this thing right here. If we didn't have that wave, if we had this 3-wave pullback right there, and if this wave didn't break this low right here, because what that would be to me then would be a 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, the fact that we came down here messes up this count, that 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's just pretend it didn't go down there. Then we'd be heading up for a very bullish count, and it would be very simple. But it's not simple, guys, because this thing came down and broke this low. And the other problem is that this isn't 5 waves. That's not 5 waves, guys. That's 3 waves, okay? We got, again, this leading diagonal, 5-wave, 3-wave, and then we got the 5-wave pump to the upside. So that's a 5, 3, 5. All day long. Then we got a 3-wave move here, a 3-wave move there, and a 3-wave move there, and that's a 3-wave move all day long. Okay, and right now, as ugly as it is, we got a 3-wave move. Good chance, guys, we go down from here. Just looking at this current wave, so this current wave is saying down to me, even though it could go back up here and retest 10,200. Okay, 10,100 to 10,000. It could retest that, no problem. With the way price action is going. So when I say down, I just mean longer or you know, more, you know, close time frames. But it says down. But looking at the macro count, the higher time frame counts, guys, makes me think we're going up to tag this trend line up here, and then we're going to finish this diagonal. So I don't know. It's a big I don't know burger, right? So those are the things I'm seeing, guys. What do you guys see in the chart? What do y'all see? What out of everything was compelling to you that I just shared? What part of it, you know, are you looking at that you're paying attention to? Because this wave is super, super difficult. Super difficult. Excuse me. We, yeah, pretty difficult count in my opinion, guys. But we're looking pretty bullish. Let's just check the RSI here. See if there's anything in the RSI telling a story. Nothing really here on the 12-hour telling a story, except we have bearish divergence. Okay. Actually, then we have excuse me, bearish divergence right here. This going down right there. Well, this is going up. So that's bearish divergence. What else? I'm seeing some hidden bullish divergence right here. Right here in this wave right here, where this is going up right here. Let's see here. Right here, we've got price going up while this is going down. That's why we got that little turn to the upside. Okay. But divergence on the 12-hour time frame not helping us much. Let's see if there's anything on the smaller time frame. Okay. Let's see, what else can we be making here? We have hidden bullish right here on the 6-hour. And that's why we're getting the move to the upside. Yep. 6 hours showing hidden bullish. Let me I'm sorry. Let's go to the 2-hour. Let's see. RSI is going down. Trying to get it so we can see it. While price making higher highs. No divergence in the most recent wave, but stop spamming my channel.
Okay.
Anyway, so yeah, no divergence on the smaller time frame there. 1-hour chart. No divergence to speak of. We are in the overbought region, but not big time. There's some divergence here on the 30-minute time frame, where, oops, sorry, this is kind of to the downside. Well, that's to the upside. 15-minute. See if there's anything more compelling there. Nothing to speak of, guys. Really, nothing to speak of. We're in no man's land for RSI, guys. I'm thinking up right now is the general direction, maybe. In the shorter time frame, unless this thing just wants to roll over and come on down. So, but we be watching the 10,100, 10,200 targets up there. Draw the trend line on the larger time frame and see if we come up and tag it right here. This trend line right here. Okay. So.
Your friend is here.
Okay.
Do I
Thank you.
let him
Hey, yeah, let him in.
in?
All right. So anyway, sorry about that. I've got a guest coming and I've got to finish the video. All right. You guys have a great day. That's what I'm seeing on the chart. Not a whole lot to say, except that it's in no man's land and the market is really, really tough to read right now. So be careful trading. Lots of shenanigans happening. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.